the first time that you've been on stage with an international superstar such as I, Robbie Williams. And I take it that, were you it? I would take it that you guys want to be in showbiz, right? Okay. Now let me tell you about showbiz. On the road to showbiz, there's going to be some high, also highs, but there's also going to be some lows. That's right, bad flesh, low. But if you remember the words to this song, I think you'll be just fine. Are you with me? Okay, let's do this. And 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a lot to be learned, so go right. Just what makes that little old dance make you move that rubber tree glance? Anyone knows that ant can't move a rubber tree glance, but he's got high hopes. He's got high hopes. He's got high up sky. So anytime you're feeling low, instead of letting go, just remember that hooks that go, hooks that go, hooks that go. I think you've got it. Tell me more. Tell me more. Now once there was a silly old ram, thought he'd punch a hole through the dam. No one could make that ram scram. He kept in that dam, 'cause he's got high hopes. He's got high hopes. He's got high income sky. So anytime you're feeling bad, really bad, just remember that ram. Hooks that goes a million kilowatt. Hooks that goes a million kilowatt. Hooks that goes a million kilowatt. Yeah. Everybody, so he's got high hopes. He's got high hopes. He's got high problems, just a toy balloon. They'll be bursting soon. They're just bound to go pop. Whoops, there goes another problem.